All right, so the beginning of making our fabric masks here, this is the quickest way we have found to do it. We start off with a, how wide is that actually, Mike?
7.5.
7.5.
By 15.5.
By 15.5. And we fold these nice little trenches at the top and bottom. And then we fold our pipe cleaner, which if you're buying large pipe cleaners, they need to be cut in half. We just fold the pokey end down and slide it in the trough, either end, just like Mike is doing wonderfully there.
I'm practiced.
We've only done thousands.
Try to get it into the middle.
Yeah. Okay.
You have it there.
Then we fold it right sides together.
Right sides together.
Yep. And then we do 2 pleats.
Make sure that you bring up the top.
Yes. So if you can see here, this is back side. That would be on your nose. And then that is the nose piece with the middle.
Right.
Okay. So if you watch how he pleats it there.
Turn it over. Fold. Iron.
Yep.
Fold. Iron.
Or press, you know,
Press.
because we press on our pressing mats.
On our pressing mats.
Yes.
That can be purchased here at the store.
Yes. Okay, and then the next stage here that we have.
The next stage you're going to get to is?
We have a, what, 7.5 inch?
We have a 7.5 inch. It's all pressed.
Yep. We've opened it up.
Open it up to separate your pleats.
Yep.
Insert your elastics.
Now this is a 1/4 inch flat elastic cut at about 7.5 inches.
These ones are actually 8.
Oh, okay. Mike did 8.
New elastic. It's tight.
Oh, right. It's tighter than the other one.
And
so right now we're placing it to the right sides of the fabric. And now the pleats are separated and we're just going to fold it back over.
folding it up.
And then we're going to sew or serge down the sides. And we're ready to go to our sewing machine.
Try that again.
Look how seamless that was. Front and back. Okay, so we turn it inside out, is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then we just do a top stitch?
Yep.
Okay.